Restored Republic via GCR update as of April 3, 2020. A. Thursday the 2nd of April 2023 22 p.m. EDT Fleming update. Our military contact has verified. 1. Our start was still imminent and should be within hours. For security reasons he could not verify a specific date, only that our start was imminent. 2. Today the 2nd of April a wealth manager was told stay close to the redemption center and await instructions. 3. Early this morning of Thursday the 2nd of April they began preparations to start Tier 4 notification and to deliver the Admiral his papers, etc., but for security reasons could not give specific timing. 4. Because of those security issues he could not say when the banks would have the green light from the Department of Justice, U.S. Treasury, President Trump and the elders. 5. This compartmentalized info was limited to that handful of decision-makers, as most other operators involved in the release process, including the Admiral, Redemption Authority, RENA contacts, PMs, etc., would only have immediate need-to-know info at the time they were to complete their part of the release. 6. The bank's need-to-know info would only be made known to the banks at go time, which was imminent. 7. At the press briefing yesterday Wednesday the 1st of April POTUS Trump and Joint Chiefs Chair General Mark Milley announced that the U.S. military was launching a massive military mission in the Western Hemisphere against drug cartels. Google White House Governor Coronavirus Task Force remarks April 1, 2020. 8. This was a veiled message to deep state rats that the storm was underway and they were being rounded up and arrested at the same time children were being rescued from their child trafficking pedophile, gun and drug running rings. 9. The Chinese elders and World Court required that our start coincide with these military arrest operations going on behind the scenes right now. 10. The deep state Illuminati started the mafia cartels. Google Spring Near Illuminati created and runs the mafia. 11. Yesterday Wednesday the 1st of April President Trump and Milley's message was directed at those rats to let them know the pain of the storm promised by Trump on Thursday the 5th of October 2017. 12. Right now military arrests, prosecution and punishment was coming at each of them like a freight train. 13. Do not expect the most high-level sources to verify liquidity or payouts, even though over the past week after Trump signed the stimulus bill on Friday the 27th of March at 4:30 p.m. EDT, there have been liquidity releases and payouts with access to a percentage of their monies. 14. There would be full access to monies at the start of the Tier 4 group, us. 15. Last weekend U.S. Gov. Stimulus funds provided liquidity and payouts to Tier 1 accounts, Tier 2 humanitarian organization accounts and Tier 3 church group accounts. 16. Last weekend, mainly Monday to Tuesday the 31st of March, certain individuals received liquidity and partial access to their monies. Unfortunately some had their accounts frozen for violating their NDAs by talking about their currencies and rates online and through phones. The NSA caught them. 17. It has happened even though high-level sources would not verify and deny it because of their own NDAs and gag orders. B. April 2, 2020 The Big Call, Bruce, BigCallUniverse.com Web link 71277040116 pin 123456 hash. 1. Intel sources have dried up. 2. Over the weekend they paid out 600 exchanges in Tiers 1, 2 and 3. Though they were only paid out 1% of their monies. The rest have not been paid. Those in the intermediate groups would be paid out the same time as Tier 4A, B. 3. Those who have bought currency through a dealer would receive emails with attachments. Those attachments would contain an authorization document that you could present if you were questioned as to why you were on the street. 4. The dinar has reinstated. The RV dinar rate would be around $4. Though would escalate 2 to 2.5% higher on the Forex. You might want to wait to exchange it until it found its true value. That would be a gamble. 5. The 3 days of darkness could be on the 7th, 8th and 9th of April. 6. After the 3 days of darkness we should have 8-hour segments of disclosure videos put out on TV, or in audio on the emergency broadcast system. The disclosure would run 24/7 for 8 days. 7. We were to start on that first day of disclosure, which may be the 10th of April. C. April 2, 2020 Morning Chat with Markets, www.twitch.tv web link. 1. Hearing from Paymasters we could be starting the 14th of April. I am still thinking we will all go at once. We hear the US was on some type of lockdown until May 1st. So that could be the perfect timing. 2. Reno was expecting about 2 weeks for settlement. 3. We were told that when we made our apartment we would get travel documentation allowing us to go where we needed to exchange. 4. Heard that they rescued a number of children found in New York underground tunnels. 5. Member, the tunnels in NYC are at the bridge the Comfort went under to dock. Clinton Foundation and Branson Corp both led to the dumb tunnels. There were said to be 2.5 miles of tunnel just at that location. 6. Member, there's word out there that the 10 days of darkness may have to do with military operation of rescuing kids in DUMBs to bring on board the Mercy ships. 7. Member, the children are being put on the Mercy and the Comfort. Hundreds coming out from the tunnels. 8. Member, there is a map of tunnels in USA. Georgia has many, so we expect to be next for complete shutdown. Stay-home orders start tomorrow. 9. Member, the X22 report last night had a tunnel thumbnail. About 18-minute mark, Dave speaks of the children. You will cry and pray. D. April 1, 2020 X22 report economic crisis, save the best for last. Q posts emphasized, this month was Child Abuse Prevention Month, research crimes against children, we were fighting a deeply entrenched enemy, Hillary Clinton Foundation crimes against children, children were being kidnapped, abused, trafficked and sacrificed. The tents in Central Park were not treating coronavirus patients. Next week the hospital ships in New York and Los Angeles harbors, Mercy and Comfort, would be taking 50 patients a day who do not have coronavirus for the next 2 weeks. Google censorship was being removed to expose the cabal. This was the awakening. E. April 2, 2020 David Wilcock, The Great Pandemic Part 4, Questions and Answers. 1. In the latter part of November 2018 U.S. Customs stopped a Chinese scientist who was carrying vials of live SARS and MERS virus trying to smuggle them into the U.S. 2. A January 28, 2020 Dodge report verified that a Dr. Charles Lieber developed the coronavirus in his lab at Harvard University. 3. On December 9, 2019 a Chinese researcher of Dr. Charles Lieber, Zheng, smuggled 21 vials of the coronavirus to China. 4. Lieber has since been arrested as being part of the cabal. The cabal's purpose with the coronavirus was to collapse the U.S. and world's economy for purposes of a takeover by the New World Order. 5. There were going to be 3 days of darkness where they would be doing mass arrests. 6. They have already made some arrests and held trials at Gitmo. 75% of the indictments have been unsealed, acted upon and have shown up in the media. 7. It was rumored that George W. Bush confessed to his crimes and they have it on video. Obama also confessed to his crimes and they also were on video. The videos would be released during the disclosure period after the 3 days of darkness. F. The Fall of the Cabal Parts 110, Fall.com web link. G. April 2, 2020 6:33 p.m. EDT Fulford Report. Battle for Planet Earth intensifies. Fulford Report, the 30th of March 2020. Benjamin Fulford. 1. The liberation forces are using the lockdown because of the coronavirus as an opportunity to arrest senior Khazarian mafiosi, while the Satanists are hoping to vaccinate and microchip the general public back into submission. 2. Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe, French President Emmanuel Macron, German Chancellor Angela Merkel, Prince Charles of the UK and many others will be or have been coronavirused, arrested, according to CIA and Pentagon White Hats. 3. One CIA source says, they are putting out disinformation to keep this as classified as possible. Merkel is going to have a third test and Macron also tests positive. This is code for they are being removed. 4. Pentagon, The Navy hospital ship USNS Mercy arrived at LA on March 27 and its sister USNS Comfort to NYC on March 30, but they may provide neither mercy nor comfort for arrested Zionists and pedos. 5. Starting around the 1520 mark, Kabbalist Bill Gates was calling for only people who have a vaccination certificate to be allowed to travel. www.youtube.com web link. 6. NSA sources confirmed the cabal was hoping to get the sheeple to show up at the local Walmart to get vaccinated and microchipped in exchange for receiving digital bullets. 7. The United States military did not call up 1 million reservists and move its headquarters to an underground bunker because of a mostly bogus coronavirus threat. www.whitehouse.gov web link. 8. The Fed was obviously losing control of the petrodollar as the price of some grades of oil is falling to $4 per barrel. Experts are now predicting oil prices to go negative as the world runs out of places to store the stuff. Business.financialpost.com web link. www.zerohedge.com web link. April 2, 2020 RV Intel Alert, RV, Intelligence Alert. Rescue April 2, 2020, disclaimer, the following is an overview of the current situation of the world based on intelligence received from several sources which may or may not be accurate or truthful. 1. Rumors suggested that hospital ships Comfort and Mercy were being covertly used to care for human trafficking rescues. 2. If true, the arrival of Comfort and Mercy was just on time with the National Child Abuse Prevention Month, April, declared by President Trump in 2017. www.whitehouse.gov web link. 3. It was a possibility that the alliance has begun mass rescue operations for human trafficking victims while the public stayed indoors during the quarantine. 4. Human trafficking was one of the deep state cabal's sources of income. 5. Sources were claiming that there would soon be a nationwide shutdown of phone and internet, which may indicate the beginning of mass arrests. 6. Censorship was being removed from all social media platforms prior to the shutdown. 7. The emergency broadcast system would remain active during this shutdown. 8. Mass arrests were expected to last for 3 days. Updates would be given via the emergency broadcast system. 9. Sources were claiming that the CV pandemic would be used to bring forth a global economic reset. 10. The transition has begun. 11. Once the transition was over, a new financial system was expected to be in place and as such, the long-awaited currency redemption event would begin.